guys, it's Areesa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making easy and delicious hot chocolate drink mixes. So today I'm going to teach you how to make 3 hot chocolate drink mixes that are so delicious and are perfect for giving as gifts. We're going to wrap them up all pretty, or to use as a filling for hot chocolate bombs. So let's get right into the first one, which is a triple chocolate hot chocolate. So to start off, instead of using normal powdered sugar for this one, I'm using raw sugar. It basically is just like a dried out brown sugar. So it's got a really nice rich flavor. So I'm taking half a cup of that and I'm going to blend it up into a powder. And then I'm going to sift that with half a cup of good quality Dutch processed cocoa powder. And now to make this better than any store-bought hot chocolate, we are going to add some really good quality chocolate curls. So I'm just taking a vegetable peeler and running it across a large block of chocolate. This is Calabo milk chocolate. And a little tip, if you do it really slowly and with a lot of pressure, you're gonna get a nice curl. And then we're just gonna repeat the same thing with some white chocolate, and once again, I am using Calabo. So we have our dark cocoa powder mix, which is our first chocolate, our milk chocolate curls, and then our white chocolate curls. So that's how we get to triple chocolate. And now let's put it all together into a fancy bag. So I'm just taking a cellophane bag here and I'm folding the top over itself so that it's easier to fill and we don't get cocoa powder all over the bag. And then I'm making myself a little funnel out of some parchment paper, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spoon in my hot chocolate mixture. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my milk and white chocolate curls. You could totally add some marshmallows to this, but I decided to keep this one purely chocolate. And then I'm just gonna tie a nice red bow. Fun fact, I worked at a chocolate shop for a couple years while I was in university, and so I got really good at tying up treat bags. And there we have our first hot chocolate mix. So I have to admit that one is probably my favorite. That might be what I'm drinking right now. But let's move on to a more festive flavor, and that's a peppermint mocha. So I'm starting by taking some candy canes and just crushing them up. We're going with half a cup of cocoa powder, and I went just a little bit over with my half a cup of icing sugar. And then we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of instant espresso powder and just sift that all together. And then I'm gonna throw in 3 spoonfuls of our candy canes. And as you can see, that one was so quick and easy. All we have to do now is package it up. So we're gonna go ahead and fill up our cellophane bag just like last time. And then I'm topping it with some mini marshmallows and a few extra candy cane pieces. And there is the finished Peppermint Mocha gift bag. Okay, 2 mixes down, 1 left to go. We're gonna make a cookies and cream hot chocolate mix, which is perfect for kids or for any cookie lover. So we're gonna start by taking the cream out of some Oreos. I used 4 for this, and then pop those in a blender and blend them up. And then I'm gonna sift those with, once again, half a cup of cocoa powder and half a cup of powdered sugar. And you may have a few larger Oreo crumbs left over. We can just go ahead and get rid of those. And now we're going to add some cookies and cream white chocolate to make it sweet and delicious. So I've got a Hershey's cookies and cream bar, and I'm just chopping that up into little pieces. And you're looking for a consistency that looks kind of like this. And of course, we just need to put it into a little gift bag. So once again, I'm just taking my cellophane bag and filling it up with the Oreo cocoa mixture and then our white cookies and cream pieces. And tying it up with a nice red bow. And here we have our 3 delicious hot chocolate drink mixes, all packaged up and ready for someone special. So there we have our 3 delicious hot chocolate drink mixes. They don't need to be refrigerated, so they are perfect for gift giving and also for filling hot chocolate bombs if you're giving those as gifts. Just add a tablespoon or 2 of the hot chocolate mixture to a nice glass of warm milk, and you will have a delicious treat. So that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or what you want to see next. Of course, also let me know which one was your favorite or which one you're going to try, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.